Hi there, students. To play at. To play at something. So firstly, the children were playing at cowboys and Indians. So they were involved in a game. They were playing at doctors and nurses. Yeah, they were playing at cat and mouse. So kids playing a game. Now I start with this because we very often use this more metaphorically for an adult, where an adult is playing at something. They're not doing it with any care, with any effort. They're not doing it in a serious way. They're not doing it as a job. So he's only playing at being a businessman. Yeah, he's not doing it really. He's not doing it seriously. And then we also have the phrase, what are you playing at? What do you think you're playing at? Yeah, this is saying that I think you're crazy. I don't understand your motives. I don't understand what you're doing. Yeah, I'm irritated by it. Yeah. What do you think you were playing at, putting diesel in a petrol car? Okay, so to play at, to do something in a way that's not serious. They are only playing at trying to fix the problem. They're not trying to do it really. I don't know what he's playing at. I don't know the reason why he's doing this. Yeah, it makes me very angry. I disapprove of it. He's just doing it casually and not seriously. So they were, the two countries were still playing at war. They were insulting each other and manoeuvring, but they weren't actually fighting a phony war. They were playing at it. Okay, so I wonder what he's playing at, what he's doing, what he's trying to achieve. What the bloody hell do you think you're playing at? Yeah, why are you doing this? This to me seems absolutely crazy. Okay, so I think a lot of the politicians, they play at politics. They don't do it actually seriously. He's only playing at being an author. Yeah, he's never actually managed to get a book published. Okay, so what are you playing at? What is he playing at? I'm using this to suggest that somebody's doing something that's wrong, it's incorrect, that it could cause harm, particularly if they don't stop immediately. What are you playing at? Stop, stop, stop. Yeah, don't do this. You're doing it wrong. Yeah, don't continue. Okay, so to play at, it's so the kids were playing at being pirates. They were playing at pirates. Yeah, but when you grow up, you need to be serious and stop playing at things. Yeah. Okay, not to do something half-heartedly, to play at something. Yeah, to take part half-heartedly. Yeah, you're playing at being the boss, but you're not taking it seriously enough. You're not doing what you really should be doing. So stop playing at it and start doing it seriously. Yeah, so this at, it has this idea of without proper seriousness. Notice, to play at something, it's an inseparable phrasal verb. Nothing between the play and the at. Formality. What are you playing at? What's he playing at? 3.5 informality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, probably not, maybe. It's probably on the cusp there. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, Well, the origin. Well, to play at games like children. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To play at something.